the big announcement for tonight is that we have opened a law firm called REIGNITE Legal, and it's going to be 1/3 of the price of any other lawyer you can find, and we will only take on cases we think have legs and that we can help you with, and we'll never push paper for money. And this is the new law firm that is going to represent the freedom people of Australia. It's called Reignite Legal, so if you know what Reignite is, then you'll know what it is, but if you don't, then it's just another law firm. And the whole point is we hope that other lawyers from around Australia start working for us as well. And one thing you will never have to question is that we believe in human rights, and that we believe in right and wrong, not what you can prove or what you can't prove or who you know or who you can pay. It really is quite clear, it's right and wrong. So I really think we're going to be able to help a lot of people for 1/3 of the price, and that's what lawyers should be charging. So I think we're going to do really well. And Gareth is the main speaker for tonight. This is Gareth's debut, and I want to say thank you for helping so many Australians and getting paid hardly anything. You're a legend. Like, he's a legend.
I won't spend too long talking about myself. A little bit closer. There we go. I won't talk too long about myself, but I'll just give you a bit of background. So as Monica said, I was going to leave the legal industry. I was a construction lawyer, and I had mostly worked for commercial firms, CBD firms. I also had my own law firm for a little while with another partner, and we were very successful very quickly. So I saw that side of life, you know, having more money than I really deserved and knew what to do with it. Piss it all away as you do, as a young man. But I'd seen that side of life and I didn't particularly like it. I'd previously been in the Defence Force for about 5 years, and I also worked a lot of blue-collar jobs. And I just didn't like the white-collar professional life, which I found to be very fake. I think the legal industry has a lot of problems, mostly with morality, to be honest with you. I think a lot of people that spend too much time in it become quite immoral and they don't realise it, which is a real problem. Those who do make it to the top, that become partners, which I was a partner for a while, they just don't realise what they're doing is effectively stealing from people. They can't afford it. So I wanted to walk away altogether, but I heard about Monica going to jail, and I heard that she didn't bend the knee, and I said to my son at the time was that if that were me, I would like to hope I did the same thing, that I didn't bend the knee. So if there was anyone that I was going to help in the country, that would be the person to help. So I did contact Monica via email and just said, look, I'm a newly unemployed lawyer, happy to help any way I can, don't particularly want to be a lawyer, but you know, if needs be, I will be. So we decided to make an in-house counsel, so I can at least say to people, yeah, I am a lawyer, I can give you legal advice, but can't be your lawyer. So what we really focused on that 1.5 years was empowering people to run things themselves to a certain extent, but also we provide representation to Fair Work Commission. Now, as Monica rightly pointed out, when the other side finds out that you're not charging and that you're doing this for moral reasons, which I'd often actually raise in the Fair Work Commission when we'd have conciliation conferences, that I was there for moral reasons, the other side doesn't know how to deal with you. Because they haven't heard anyone say anything like that before. They don't understand. Also, when you make moral arguments to a commissioner or a magistrate or whoever it might be, they don't know how to deal with you. Because what you're saying they know to be true and they know to be right, and often also in accordance with the law, and they don't know how to respond, because their only response can be, well, it doesn't really matter what's moral or not, and that's not something they really want to say on the public record. So I think one of the things that we can do moving forward as Reignite Legal, and we tried to do the last 1.5 years, is to introduce what is moral as being the most important thing. Not what's legal, not what might be lawful, but what is moral.